Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and I wanted to vlog today, obviously. And I'm actually gonna go get a facial, my first facial ever, from Ariba Medical Spa. It's here in Fremont, so it's super local. But I wanted to show you my OOTD first. So this is a plain off-the-shoulder top from Windsor, and this is super, super cute and stretchy. It has like a little bit of like elastic right here. I feel like it helps it stay like right off the shoulders. And then this plaid top is from Daily Look. If you watched my stories a few days ago, you would see me try this one on. Daily Look is a premium styling service where you basically receive like 7 to 12 pieces based on your personal style, and then you keep the clothes that you like and then return the ones that you don't like. But I've been loving it so far, and I have a sponsored story with them that I did, and then a sponsored video I can link below. That one's with Alaska, so it's really cute. I get to like film her reaction, so I loved doing that video. And then my jeans are from Hot Miami Styles. I love the distressing material on these. And I like how they come up on the ankles as well. Makes it like super stretchy and really, really comfortable to wear. And then of course I just have my classic Vans, which I wear like literally every single day. So I'm about to head out to the spa right now, which is why I have a fresh face. I'm really excited to get my first facial. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated and let you know my honest thoughts. Hey guys, I'm here at Ariba Medical Spa. I'm about to get my hydrofacial. As you can see, my skin is starting to break out. I have a lot of like acne scarring, especially around like my T-zone, my chin area. So this is my first facial. I'm really, really excited. They're about to check me in right now.
Okay, so we're gonna do a clarifying today. What it's going to do is it's going to prep your skin for the exfoliations. The exfoliation part is painless. I will go all over your skin to try to get everything out, and then we're going to do a blue light for acne.
Perfect.
And then we're going to protect, put the moisture right back in.
Okay, awesome. And this is what everything looks like. Okay, so she just prepped my face with alcohol. They're gonna be doing a clarifying treatment on my skin, and I'm super excited. She's gonna see if some of these spots come off of my face, see if they're acne or not. I just get a lot of like hormonal acne and like hyperpigmentation around my face, so we're gonna see if we can kind of treat that and extract some of the blackheads.
Can you see it, Mom?
Oh my goodness, I do see it, and it is picking up on the camera too. So that's everything that got pulled out of my face, you guys. That's so crazy. It's kind of cool to see it, huh?
It's really satisfying.
Oh my gosh, who knew? All of that was just sitting in my face. Hey guys, I'm back at home and I just finished my facial. My skin feels so good right now. I was able to talk to her about some of the issues I've been having, like the acne that I have and just some different like red spots and acne scarring. And she was able to do, I think it was like a 3 or 4 step process. So she wiped my face down, and that little suction that you saw was the extraction. So everything that you saw in that bottle was everything that had come out of my face. I think she focused a lot around my nose area and then like around my cheekbones, but she did go all around my face. She did put a serum on at the very end. So like she did the clarifying process and then the extraction and then the serum, and then she told me not to put on makeup at all for the rest of the day. Because if I put on foundation, it's gonna clog my pores, and she just unclogged everything. But I had an amazing time at Ariba Medical Spa. I feel like they did a really, really good job. They were very educated, and she was able to explain to me what was going on and what she was doing, and I really appreciate that, not having like an esthetician background, not really knowing what I'm doing with my skin. She said that I'm taking good care of my skin. I'm taking off my makeup every single day, using cleansers and exfoliators and just putting on the right moisturizers. I will try different products, and my skin is really sensitive, but because I am an influencer and I do test out different products, it can cause different reactions on my skin. So I just try to be careful and just really read the ingredients on everything that I'm using here. But feel like if I continue doing facials, it'll be really, really good for my skin. This was my first one and I loved it. They did such an amazing job, so I'm definitely going to be back for more. So thank you so much for taking care of me. I loved the experience. I'm definitely going to be taking care of my skin and definitely getting more facials this year. So I wanted to show you some PR packages that I received. I'm going to start with these two shoes. I'm doing a collaboration with Cupid, and I got 2 shoes from them. Got a pair of mules and I've got a pair of heels. So I'm assuming these are the mules. Yes, they are. They're this beautiful neutral flats. Oh my god, these are really, really cute. They have like a little bit of heel on them, which is perfect. I feel like these are going to be really good for work or just for school, just something super casual, but still looks kind of dressy and it definitely looks very professional. So this is really cute. I'm going to have to try those on later. Yeah, these are adorable. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, the next one is a pair of nude heels. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're even cuter in person. And I love this material too, and it has a little bit of a transparent edge right here. And these are the heels. You can tell that obviously I love my neutral colors, but honestly, I feel like you can never have too many neutral staples. They go with everything in your collection. So these are the heels and those are the mules. Super, super cute. I can't wait to take pictures and style these. This is the next box. I'm not sure how I'm going to open this. Oh my god, Alaska's going to go crazy with this. I'm so glad I don't have a cat or something. I feel like, honestly, having a child is kind of like having a pet. So these are going to end up everywhere anyway. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my god, there's... Okay, so this is the first one, and it's from Briogeo, which is an amazing hair brand. I love everything from them. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Okay, so it says, life is your own unique and precious journey. Take care and be well. Wow, that is absolutely my motto for 2019. So this looks like it was inside this one, and this is the organic and cold pressed 100% castor oil. Let's see what this one is. This one is the Be Well organic and Australian tea tree oil. Very interesting. Let me see what else is in this box. I think there are some... Okay, so this is the 2 products that they're showcasing. I'm excited to share with you a first look of the Be Well collection. Oh, so it looks like it's organic, non-GMO, castor and tea tree oil, ethically sourced from the highest quality farms in the world. Oh my god, these are amazing. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to put these to the test because my hair, I'm trying to grow it out right now. So I'm really trying to use the best products on it and just not like wear it out too much. This is an amazing package. Thank you so much, Briogeo. They really are one of my favorite hair care brands right now, so I'm super excited to use these. I'm definitely going to report back as well.